See you in the garden. Hello folks, back for another video. This one's about germinating silverbeet seeds. And as we know, silverbeet seeds can be notoriously hard to germinate with good germination rates. So what I have here is just two plates, a couple of paper towels. I'll spread my seeds onto the bottom paper towel. I've got a jug with a cup of water and some 3% hydrogen peroxide. Now this isn't food grade. I ran out of food grade and waiting for some more to come, but this should suffice. It's just 3% H2O2, hydrogen peroxide, that was purchased basically at the chemist's. So I'm just going to add about a teaspoon of hydrogen peroxide to that water, maybe a touch more, and let's progress from here. So I'll just give it a quick mix, and I'm going to wet down this paper towel with the seeds on it, just gently until it's saturated. Oop. So let's spread them out a bit after I muck that up. Right, that should do it. Now we just get the other paper towel, lay it on top, just gently get it saturated. Right, and the important thing here is to fold the corners in, otherwise all of the liquid will siphon out over the edge of the plate, which we don't want to happen. And of course, the next thing to do is just put another plate on top. So now that we've got to this stage, it'll probably take 2 to 3 days for these to germinate and show a root. So let's go to the next step. Okay, it's 3 days later. Let's have a look and see how these seeds have germinated. And most people know that these silverbeet seeds are fairly notorious for being hard to germinate. I need 26. I've got some cocoa pellets here already and soaked, so I think we'll get most of them. Anyway, you can see some nice little roots coming out of quite a few of them, so I'm pretty pleased. We'll see how many we can get filled in, planted in the pellets, because these are going into the hydroponics. I've got to redo that whole system, so we'll get these plants started and get onto it. Alright, so I'm just using a pair of tweezers, as they're pretty delicate, and we just put them root side down, just like that. Okay, so that's it. They're all put to bed. And I only just got 26 that had visible germination. So I'll keep germinating these and see what happens with them. And I'll probably do a few spares just in case. And plant some for seed as well. Alright, let's put these away and we'll see how they go in the time lapse. You should be 100%. Here they are with all the other seedlings, and that's it for this video. Bye for now.